What's up everyone? First things first, the videos on the channel are somehow about to surpass the number of subscribers, and if you are watching this video, well, I would love for you to subscribe if you aren't already. This is a night drive here in Riyadh. We are in Rafia. I'm headed back to Mohammedia district. I came to one tea shop. It's one of my favorite places here, and just spent some time working on my laptop, and also made one video for my main vlogging channel. If you haven't seen that, the links are down in the description. And here we go, guys. Just headed back actually. Where are you watching this video from? Let me know down in the comments. And I think right now it would be kind of dark and gloomy, but let us go to the main road, the main streets, and there will be more light. The light is actually with you people. You people enlighten me with your thoughtfulness. A lot of you are supporting me with your good words, and that is very interesting for me. So the car can give 76 kilometers with the fuel that it has, and right now I'll not be refueling the car because it's just some 11-12 kilometers drive, but in the morning I'll be doing so from a Sasco fuel station. And why Sasco? Because I use this Al credit card, and it gives the Mokafa points. That's their reward system. And if you use these Mokafa points to pay off the credit that you have got, you will essentially get half the value of your Mokafa points. And I made this mistake unknowingly when I was about to go to vacation at the end of 2025. I had to go back to Pakistan, so I had a lot of points accumulated, and the mistake I made was using those as like to return the credit that I had on that credit card, that's the money that I have used. And it gave me like some 100 and something real, which could have been 200 or almost near 300, 200 something or 300 reals if I had turned those Mokafa points to or taken them to another app. So now I have Sasco app. So what I basically did is that once again I had all these points accumulated, and I sent these points from my Al Raji app, these Mokafa points, to the Sasco app, and it gave me like 100% of the value of those Mokafa points. If I used those points to pay off the credit of my credit card, it would have just resulted in some 125 reals. But when I transferred it over there, I got like 250, 260 reals worth of fuel, which I can use for my car. That is like pretty good. So in the morning I'm gonna use those points to get my car refueled, inshallah. That is gonna be super interesting. By the way, guys, the thing about Saudi here is that, like on the roads, you are driving the speed limit. Like it's 80, we are almost driving 80. Back in Pakistan, we don't have the traffic like this. Actually, there's a lot of traffic even over there in the big cities. So, well, what I noticed, if it's 80, you would be probably driving 60 or maybe 65 at on like a normal road, because the roads there, I don't know what it is, but it's quite rare for you to go on to the speed limit unless it's like some major road going through the city. But even on that, if there's traffic, you are gonna be driving rather slow. But here, even if there's a lot of traffic, you people are moving on the speed limit in most of the places, unless like traffic is stuck. If it's not stuck, everyone is going the speed limit. So here we are. I'm gonna make a turn onto the Takhasusi street. Let's see how the recording is going so far. It's going fine, and it's time to move from this traffic light as well. Come on, man, be quick. See, now ahead you would see a lot of traffic. It's 9:30 p.m. but still the traffic never ends in Riyadh. People never sleep. There's a very good chance that you would see the same amount of traffic if you come to this road around 12 p.m. On the Eid, I went to Makkah and then Medina. I recorded the drives over there, and it was quite good. I should and I could have recorded more, but I was recording for the main channel as well. So had I done this, it would have been very overwhelming, but I still recorded a lot, which I'm gonna put out slowly and gradually. There are 2 videos from Medina that I still haven't posted yet. Inshallah, gonna post those as well. Are we gonna make it to the green light? We have to be very careful. You see, the trick is, if it's open, just breeze through to pass. But if you like sense that it's gonna be yellow, then you have to like take your foot off of the gas, so that you allow yourself to have enough time just in case you need to press hard on the brake. But even better, just drive slowly around 40-50. That will give you some ample time to brake. There's an Al-Baik over there. Almost 2 years ago, the Hataba over here wasn't well, this wasn't built here. This is like a new building. Over there we have the Panorama Mall, and when I came to Saudi, I just lived on this street. Look at Panorama Mall over there. It was quite a time. Used to be quite hot in the days. Hot and dry. So I'm also working on one AI related channel. It's called Intelligence Frontier. I'm focusing on putting out videos over here. The goal is to I'll share basically what I'm learning about AI and stuff. Content creation is quite a difficult task, I must say. But well, if you can, you should do content creation. That is a digital legacy of yours. Tonight the lights are red on the Panorama Mall. The traffic light is also red. The light on the Kingdom Tower is green. Interesting. In the meantime, let me show you this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that I have. Look at this. Interesting, eh? That's how I am basically recording this drive. The camera is over here, as you see there. It's not obstructing my vision, but it might seem, but it's actually at a very convenient spot. People who record their drives, I've seen them using the bigger GoPros like this size up here on the caps, but mine, the Insta360 Go 3S, it's like very small in size and very convenient to use, very light as well. Right now the traffic light is green, however I suspect that it's gonna turn red. I didn't go into this lane because I've seen that sometimes people turn from the second lane on to like the first one if they have to go left. But if you are driving slowly, like the signal just turned green, then if you are there, it's like you are at a slow speed, then it's fine, you have more reaction time. But if you are coming in fast, it doesn't feel right to go in this one because it's a matter of split seconds. I have seen one accident. It was on this intersection of the Prince Turki Road and the Makkah Road. A guy was going straight and the other one from this lane wanted to turn left, and at the last moment he turned left, even though it shouldn't have been like that. The guy going over here, he should not have turned, but I think he saw an opportunity, like he could make that turn, or maybe in the last moment he decided instead of going straight he needs to go there, so he turned abruptly like this, and the other guy that was going in this lane, he was caught off guard, and in the last moment he tried to maneuver a little bit, but in 1 second what can one do? So this car collided into that, but alhamdulillah those guys remained safe, but there was damage to the cars, and definitely it wasn't a good sight. What a smooth bridge. It's a new one, so hence it's quite smooth. And this will be it for this video, guys. We are inshallah gonna meet in the next one. Stay blessed, good night, and do subscribe if you haven't done that before.